Namaskar, this is Sonali Mahan, founder of Better Gains Realtors. It's been over 20 years that I've been into real estate. I still get a lot of queries how, as a woman, you are able to handle this industry because it's predominantly a male dominated industry. But I take immense pride for my clients and for people who I have had the opportunity to serve in last 20 years and make their dreams come true. This entire journey has helped me navigate through the ups and downs of the real estate industry, where this sector has seen lots of ups and lots of downs. And the reason why what gets exposed during the down period is the choice of brands that you work with and who are not able to fulfill their promises. So I'm very choosy and selective about the brands that I work with, and I put my heart and sweat into making things happen for my clients, from finding the best unit to the best location to something which matches their exact ticket size. Because if somebody has a budget of 2 crores and I start pitching him a product which is for 5 crores, it's not doing justice to their investment. So these are some principles that have always helped me go forward, and it requires a lot of research into finding and handpicking those sites and locations, and what is the infra which is coming along, and what are the kind of companies and the kind of lifestyle changes that are happening in that area. So this iconic location that I stand at is Greater Noida, Swarn Nagri, Sector 36, which is only about 40-45 minutes from the upcoming Noida International Airport at Jewar. Amazing thing about this location is that everything in the vicinity is fully habitable, everything is available, and there is no need for some future development. Of course, there will be a lot of future development, but there is no dearth of the options that exist around you. But when it comes to an iconic brand name like Sobha, that I say and I bring today at this site, is what is going to change the way people have looked at their homes in the last 20 years, which has been in Noida, Greater Noida, people of Delhi NCR, Uttar Pradesh. There have been a lot of people who missed the chance of buying something at the value proposition in New Gurgaon. The attraction to New Gurgaon was the connectivity through Dwarka Expressway that bridged the gap and making that distance only to be traveled in 30 minutes. So that has led to about 3 to 4 times jump in that area. And I see that similar attraction to this area because these brands are very specific to details and how they build the entire structure, from going to the basement to the podium levels to the club amenities, ensuring that all the home buyers, people who get to live, actually enjoy a good lifestyle. And this is what gives me immense happiness, that today I have this on my platter where I can give my clients something that they will be thanking me for. One other thing, that for me, real estate is never like a lot of people say they want to buy something and flip over. I feel that real estate is something that is built for generations, and it's a real asset that you build for your families. So reach out to us if you have any such query, and I will take you around and make sure that your money is safe and grows phenomenally. Thank you.